So basically people could come in here and they could give presentations. They could practice their, because when it comes to colleges, you have to do a final project. Our colleges are very project-based, so they could practice presenting. Or they could come in like we just did, and their tutoring would be just two people coming into this virtual environment and talking about anything college. So we were talking about your project, and what course is it for?
It's for wildlife behavior.
Okay, and just problem solving together about how you could find out what was a doable project. And so, you know, we talked about choices of deer, turkeys.
Ask my teacher if I'm allowed to use a turkey call or not.
Well, you'd think you...
I don't know how much I'm allowed to edit their behavior because it's a study.
Right.
You shouldn't, like, ideally I wouldn't at all, but I gotta ask them if, like, because if hunters, they use turkey calls.
Well, how long is this? Because you've got the Canadian geese that go there every single year.
Yes, but I'd have to go ask my neighbors, and I also would have to, you know, walk down the road, whereas I'd rather just do something on my own property, to be honest.
Can you have a couple backup options, like you said you wanted the deer one too?
Oh yeah, I've got a week and a half to figure this out. So I've got some time, which is why I'm going to start scouting now.
Yep.
And see what's viable to find.
Yep.
My teacher wants an actual proposal and solid study plan, I think by week 3. Mm-hmm. And then we have until the end of the term to do the whole study. But you need to have at least 20 instances of observations, or you're observing at least 20 animals at one time. Yeah, so basically you need a sample size of at least 20.
I mean, say I couldn't meet with you face to face. This is pretty cool. You know, coming in and just discussing your options and problem solving how those animal groups, is it realistic that you're going to see them at least 20 times? And your animal studies, you're also going to be doing the stars. So that STAR program that you have, is that online or is it a downloaded program?
That's a download. I think it's actually freeware.
Okay. So say a teacher say a teacher wanted to have a place where everyone could come together and access the same web page or various web pages and have a roundtable discussion, much like the computers that you could each access individually. So you could have a whole class come in here, have Google Sites open, have a video presentation that the teacher does, and have everyone able to talk and communicate. So it's like a real classroom, and it's kind of more immersive and more socialized.
Yeah. That makes sense.
So in this environment, we'd all be sitting at these tables and we could scan around, and there might be a video up front playing, and there might be information on these boards here, and the teacher could be up front talking, and you know, so it's kind of a cool environment.